Hello everyone, we are going to learn how to use name manager in Excel sheet. You can quickly create the name range by using the selection of cell in the worksheet. Okay, select the range you want to name. Let's start how it's work. Okay, just I want to select this location column and I want to name this column. Just click here. I already done it. See here. I written here the one different name. I just want to place. Okay, I just enter it. You can check from any sheet if you working on sheet number 3 and you want to check the location, yeah, place. Just click here. We create just this one. No? Just click on the place. You can see here all place and all location. You can see on the one click. And there is a one more option available in this Excel. Just select the data. I just want to create name column. Click on the formula tab. Click on the name manager. You can see here already created name, place, location. I just want to create the new one. Just click on new. Just return the name list. Any name you want to remember. Name list. Just select the here workbook and just click on OK. You get some error. I just want to change some. Just want to return name. Just only return the name. Okay. Name is already exist. Name should be unique. I just want to read buyers, enter. You can see here buyers associate, then close it. And if you want to check from anywhere, you can check here. I want to see the buyers. You can see here the all buyers names in one click. If you want to delete this name manager, you can delete this. I want to delete this place. Just select this and click on the delete. Yes. If I want to delete this one, just select it and delete and close it. Okay, that's it. Thank you.